Ford Diagnostic Trouble Code P1131 indicates a lack of upstream heated oxygen sensor switch, with the sensor showing a lean condition on Bank 1 Sensor 1. Bank 1 refers to the cylinder bank containing cylinder number 1, and Sensor 1 is the upstream oxygen sensor located before the catalytic converter. The oxygen sensor monitors the air-fuel mixture and should rapidly switch between rich and lean states, typically 1 to 3 times per second when the engine reaches operating temperature. A lean condition means there is too much air and not enough fuel in the mixture. Code P1131 triggers when the oxygen sensor remains in a lean state for an extended period instead of switching normally. The most common causes of P1131 include vacuum leaks, accounting for 40 to 50% of cases, mass airflow sensor issues at 20 to 25%, fuel system problems at 15 to 20%, oxygen sensor failure at 10 to 15%, and exhaust leaks at 5 to 10%. Proper diagnosis involves systematic testing methods including vacuum leak detection, using carburetor cleaner spray, and mass airflow sensor testing with a multimeter to identify the root cause of the P1131 code. Understanding P1131 as an upstream oxygen sensor stuck in a lean condition on Bank 1 is the first step toward effective diagnosis and repair. The first step in diagnosing P1131 is a thorough visual inspection. Look for obvious vacuum leaks, damaged hoses, and loose connections throughout the engine bay. Next, use an OBD2 scan tool to check for additional diagnostic trouble codes. P131 often appears alongside codes P171, P0174, or P1151, which can help pinpoint the root cause. Testing for vacuum leaks is critical since they cause about 40 to 50% of P1131 codes. Use carburetor cleaner spray around suspected areas, or perform a professional smoke test for more thorough detection. The mass airflow sensor causes 20 to 25% of P1131 codes. Clean the sensor with MAF cleaner and test its voltage output. Normal readings should be 0.6 to 0.9 volts at idle, increasing with RPM. Fuel system problems account for 15 to 20% of P1131 cases. Test fuel pressure, which should typically be 30 to 45 psi depending on your Ford model. Also check fuel injector operation and flow rates. Finally, test the oxygen sensor itself. Monitor live data for proper switching frequency between rich and lean conditions. The sensor should switch 1 to 3 times per second when warm. Also test the heater circuit operation. Repair costs vary significantly depending on the root cause. Simple vacuum leak repairs may cost only $100 to $150, while intake manifold gasket replacement can reach $800. Regular maintenance like air filter replacement and fuel system cleaning helps prevent P1131 codes.